Hi, it's Micael, the guy from Mouseavoid, which is gonna change the name pretty soon, he promises. But he has an update on the hardware. Basically, I put a guy from Fiverr working on it, I gave him a requirements document and forgot about it. That's what I would have said if the requirements were good. I basically overlooked at least two things: power supply and the time of flight communication. Luckily, the guy from Fiverr knew these two things and helped me out really well. But yeah, we have the problem that the PCB is too large, so I had to scrape a few things. The first thing that I scraped was flashing on the device. And I also found out that the ESP32 device that I chose, which the main reason I chose it was because 1. Dual core, really good performance, 2. Embedded antenna, which means less problems doing EMC testing. I just want to make the EMC process as easy as possible. But turns out I'm doing an HID device, which is connected to computers, and if you want to have an HID device working via USB, you need to have USB on your board, which is not the case for this ESP32 because it uses a USB to wire converter. That's that giveaway. So I scrapped that feature. I'm only going to use the USB for charging. But remember, our PCB was larger than I wanted, which means that's less one circuit. The other problem with the PCB is the location of the sensor. At first the plan was to have the ESP and the ToF sensor on different layers. We're not doing that. We're putting them on the same layer. It's gonna be easier for everything, and plus my whole plan was based upon having the ToF sensor at the center, but I don't really need it at the center, and the guy from the PCB has more space to work with. Poor dude.